Hi, I'm Jackie. It's National Apprenticeship Week. What a fantastic week, focused on why apprenticeships can be the next right step for you. And this big assembly is being shared by an incredible number of schools and colleges, with over 160,000 live viewers last year. So let's see if we can beat that this year. My boss, the Prime Minister, has been completely clear. He wants skills training to make sure everyone has the opportunity to live the life they dreamed of, doing a job they've always wanted. Today, you'll have heard from some inspirational apprentices like Ali Amin and Danny McBean, and fantastic employers in Compass Group and Boots. Their stories will give you the proof that apprenticeships can provide you with skills for life, whatever you want to do in that working life. This country has a world-leading apprenticeship system. There are lots of different apprenticeship standards available, meaning whether your passion is in manufacturing or marketing, in fashion or finance, there's an apprenticeship for you. And as an apprentice, you will earn a salary whilst getting the skills and experience you need for your future career. A remarkable 94% of apprentices that complete their training go into work or further training, many remaining with their employer following their apprenticeship. You'll have heard from many people today about the amazing opportunities that are available to help you start the career of your dreams. Just remember, everybody's got their own journey, and I hope you find what works for you. Whatever routes you choose, apprenticeships can provide you with the skills for life and give you the opportunity to make the most of your potential. Who knows, it could be you on a future big assembly panel.